Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Uber detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Uber app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you will be greeted by the login screen. If you are a new user, you can create an account by selecting the sign up option. For existing users, locate the login button and tap it. You will now see the fields available for entering your information. Input your registered phone number or email address in the designated field. After entering your phone number or email, tap the next button. If you used your phone number, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the verification code into the provided field. Once you enter the code, tap Next to proceed. If you signed up with your email, you might be asked to enter your password. Input your password in the required field. Check to make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. Tap the login button to access your Uber account. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If all the information is correct, you should now be logged into your Uber account. You will now be directed to the main screen, where you can begin using the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.